Love of mine, now is the time that I dedicate myself to your embrace. You're my one, my lovely one, my only love on earth under the sun. Love of mine. And even if I could live on top of the moon, if I had the means to travel out of space, there is no other, you're my only lover. All I want to do is be in your embrace. Love of mine, I love you so. I don't ever want to let you go. You're my one, my lovely one, my only love on earth under the sun. Love of mine, love of mine, love of mine. Dear Laura, I love you with all of my soul.